I wanted to say, I tried to join earlier. I really like your groan tube.
You like my groan tube?
Yeah! I want to hear it. You know, I did surgery on a groan tube one time.
Yeah, I've seen that one. You kinda suck at it.
What? No, the surgery was a success. It was a success. I've got like an extra long groan tube now.
An extra long groan tube sounds kinda hot. Are longer groan tubes better?
Yeah, they like groan for longer. I don't know if I'd say it's hot, but I mean, I'm a good surgeon.